Good morning, class. So, towards the end of this month, we are going to have a 25 marks test, and the portion for that test is 4th, 5th, and 6th lesson. That is 4th lesson Western Desert, Southern Plateau, and the coastal plains and the islands. So, these are the three lessons that are going to be included in the test of 25 marks. So the blueprint for that is MCQ 5 marks, blanks 5 marks. Name the following, in which I will be giving you some place name or anything, and you have to name it. Like we have in one lesson that name the state, okay, or name the following. The hint will be given. You have to name or answer in one word. That is already given in the book. So meanings, we have written meanings after every chapter, right? So from that only, from these three lessons, meanings will be coming. That is of 5 marks, and the question answers 6 marks. Means there will be only 3 questions that will be coming. So this is the blueprint, and the test portion is 4, 5, 6. And in this video, in this week, we are going to do a small revision for this test. Okay. Okay. This is the MCQ of lesson number 4. So first one, what is the climate of the Great Indian Desert like? So when we talk about desert, the climate will be hot and dry. Option A. Who are nomads? Nomads are actually the people who wander from one place to other. Means they don't have a permanent house. They travel in search of something, and wherever they get that thing, they will stay there for a period, and then they will start traveling again. So they don't have a permanent house, they keep on wandering, and they are also called Banjaras. So the option is D, all of this. What are the small hills of sand called? So the small hills of sand is called sand dunes. Means when a wind blows, a strong wind blows, what happens? This sand flows with the wind and make the hills at some other place also. So the small hills of sand is called sand dunes. Option A. What are the areas where underground water comes up on the surface called? So जब underground water surface area पे reach करता है, ऐसे deserted area में we cannot find water easily, right? So जब underground water surface area पे reach करता है, तो it is called oasis. Option A. Okay, now this is the MCQ of 5th lesson. Southern Plateau lies into the south of river Narmada. A dash is one of the highest waterfalls in India, Jog Falls. Okay, Bhilai steel plant is situated in Chhattisgarh, option C. And the black soil is ideal for growing cotton. And we have seen it during topic Maharashtra. That black soil is good for cotton. Okay, what is the shape of Southern Plateau? It is triangular in shape. Which river divides the huge plateau region into two parts? It is river Narmada. Option B. Which is the longest river in Deccan Plateau? Option A. Narmada. What is the Chota Nagpur region famous for? It is famous for minerals. These are MCQ of lesson 6. Name the two main island groups of India. Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Both are main islands groups of India. So option C, both A and B. Sabarmati Ashram is located near the city of, it is near Ahmedabad. Okay, name the southernmost tip of Indian mainland. So it is Kanyakumari. It is known as southernmost tip of India. Name the most important port of on Malabar coast. And the most important port on Malabar coast is Kochi. Option A. Okay, this was all about MCQ. Now we will see blanks. A dash is a flat land covered with sand. It is desert. Dash are the common feature in Rajasthan. Dust storms. ये तूफ़ानी हवाएं जो डस्ट को कैरी करके आती है वो डस्ट storms. Camel skin is used for making tents. People of Rajasthan store water in underground tanks. Rajasthani women wear ghagra, cholis and odhnis. Okay, dash lies between river Narmada and Tapi. It is Satpura range that lies between both the rivers. Dash is the highest peak of Deccan Plateau. Annamudi is the highest peak of this region. Dash work is the specialty of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So the farming is the specialty. Tea and coffee are grown on the slopes of Nilgiri hills. Dash are saltwater lakes, Kayals, Kayals. The third largest port of India is Chennai. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are separated by 10-degree canals. Okay. 10-degree channel. So that's it about blanks. Now we will see name the following. The folk dance of Gujarat is Garba. The largest seaport of India, Mumbai. The God's own country, Kerala. The longest beach of India, Marina Beach. So you have to answer like this. Name the following. Name the states also can come under name the following. So Kanha National Park is in MP, Madhya Pradesh. Jagannath Temple, Odisha. Silk Sari, Tamil Nadu. Lavani Dance, Maharashtra. Even right short answers can also come under name the following. See, name the southernmost tip of Indian mainland. So it is Kanyakumari. You have to just write Kanyakumari if it comes under name the following. Name the traditional dance form of Tamil Nadu. Bharatnatyam. Name the place which is famous for diamond mines. It is Panna. Where is Bhilai steel plant located? We have already seen it in the MCQ also. Chhattisgarh. Name the main languages spoken in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It is Telugu and Urdu. So that's it about the objective part. Now we will see meanings and question answers in the next video.